viewers, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to use the nested switch statements in C#. So the nested switch statement works like the same as the nested if else statement too, but the programming of nested switch statement is way more different than the if else statement. So what it is we are going to program in this video. First of all, we are going to read some nested switch statement theoretical explanation.
Nested switch statement. It is possible to have a switch as part of the statement sequence of an outer switch. Even if the case constants of the inner and outer switch contain common values, no conflicts will arise.
So as you have read or listened the explanation of nested switch statement, now we are going to program, or we are going to use nested switch statement in a C# program. So I'm closing it and open Visual Studio. And click on new project, console application. I'm going to name my application as nested nested switch statement and click on OK. Here we are, and first of all, I'm going to declare two variables, integer. Let's get started. I'm going to declare A and B, and now I'm going to say that console dot write enter the first value and save that value in variable A. Read line, open close, and then for the variable B, console.write enter the second value and save that value in variable B. So B equals to integer dot B equals to integer dot parse bracket open close and console dot readline bracket open close and semicolon. Now we are going to use the nested switch statement. So let's see how it works and how we are going to program. Okay, switch A will be bracket open close. I'm going to say that for case A. If you remember that in nested if else statement or if else statement, we say that if this value is greater than this, then print this message. So this is exactly the same. We are going to use case as if. So let's see how it works, and I'm going to say case 100 and console dot write. We say that this value belongs to the or I'm going to say that this value belongs to the first value, or then we can say that first value belongs to the inner switch, and now I'm going to use the other statement, which is switch bracket open close B, and then and second value belongs to the outer switch, semicolon, and I'm going to say break and break and then console.read, so we can hold the result and view it. So here we are. I'm going to run my application. I hope you can clearly see this. First of all, I'm going to run the program and then see what we are going to have the output. So the message is enter first value. So I'm going to enter my first value, 100, and now the second value. So as you can see that it says the first value belongs to the inner switch and the second value belongs to the outer switch. So I'm going to just make little bit change so we can change the line of the first value, and I'm going to say that line, and again here we are. The first value belongs to the inner switch and the second value belongs to the outer switch. When I'm going to enter the wrong value, so like 300, and we are not going to have any output because the statement has been failed. Okay, I hope you understand this video, and if you have any questions you can ask or simply comment. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.